Shut up and sit down.
Hello and welcome to the first foliage fight in the TMPF Species Smackdown Elite 8. As always, I'm your host, Sister Nature. Today's matchup is sure to be a prickly and pokey one, so grab your gloves as we head ringside to Willow Way to meet the contenders.
Thanks, brother. Introducing first, fighting out of the invasive corner, a deeply rooted deciduous tree, growing up to 40 feet tall with pale green, lance-shaped leaves. Its rhizomatous growth and desirability of fruits among animals makes its management difficult. Coming to us from Eurasia, Elaeagnus Russian olive angustifolia. Introducing next, fighting out of the Noxious corner, a biennial plant growing up to 6 feet tall. Its rosettes have dark green, deeply lobed leaves with a distinct light green to white midrib. Its flowers are large, purple, and encircled by lance-shaped spines. Listed on the Nevada noxious weed list, also here from Eurasia, Cordus Musk Thistle nutans.
Shut up and sit down.
Okay, plants, I want a good clean fire. I don't want to see any seed trimming, no human influence dispersal, and no herbicide treatment. Musk Thistle, are you ready? Russian olive, are you ready? Fight!
Round 1. Both species are quick to invade a habitat disturbed by fire. Musk Thistle gets knocked back as Russian olive's larger structure begins to shade it out. The end of the round was the only thing stopping Russian olive from an early knockout. Round 2. Musk Thistle seems to have recovered well, and it sets seeds early and disperses thousands of viable seeds per plant. Russian olive tries to fight back, but can't match the population size and seed production put out by Musk Thistle. Round 3. Restoration crews come in and try to eradicate Musk Thistle due to its noxious weed status. It looks like Russian olive is going to take this one. But oh wait! Musk Thistle has gotten back up, boasting its 14-year seed viability. Russian olive is caught off guard and gets knocked out. Holy cripes, folks. That one had me on the edge of my seat. Looks like Musk Thistle will be moving on.
Thanks for checking out another episode of TMPF Species Smackdown. For more content, like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram at Truckee Meadows Parks Foundation.